everyone, thanks for coming to my channel. Let's draw a Halloween pumpkin today. Grab your pens, your markers, your pencils, and your paper. Alright, so first, you make a curved line like this. Then you make another curved line like that. And another curved line like that. And another kind of wobbly curved line like that, because pumpkins aren't perfectly round. You draw the stem like that, and like that. Boom. You make some of those little lines in the stem, because stems are oddly shaped. You go like that. Boop. Make his arm. If you want to give your pumpkin arms, I gave my pumpkin arms. Like that. Draw his thumb. And then you draw his fingers. He's only got 4 fingers. And then you draw his other arm. 2 curved lines connected at the top like that. And then his thumb and his other fingers. Draw the bottom of the pumpkin. A few curved lines. And draw his eyes, kind of upside down half moons. And a triangle for his nose. And draw his bat-shaped mouth. That's a spooky pumpkin. One little pumpkin smiling, smiling. One little pumpkin smiling, smiling. One little pumpkin smiling, smiling. One little pumpkin is happy. Two little pumpkins pouting, pouting. Two little pumpkins pouting, pouting. Two little pumpkins pouting, pouting. Two little pumpkins are grumpy. 3 little pumpkins yawning, yawning. 3 little pumpkins yawning, yawning. 3 little pumpkins yawning, yawning. 3 little pumpkins are sleepy. 4 little pumpkins crying, crying. 4 little pumpkins crying, crying. 4 little pumpkins crying, crying. 4 little pumpkins are sad. 5 little pumpkins laughing, laughing. 5 little pumpkins laughing, laughing. 5 little pumpkins laughing, laughing. 5 little pumpkins are playing.
Something strange in the neighborhood. Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters. Ghostbusters. Not afraid no ghost. Not afraid no ghost. See things running through your head. Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters. Invisible man sleeping in your bed. Oh, who you gonna call? Not afraid of no ghost. What? Not afraid of no ghost. Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters. If you're all alone, pick up the phone. Call Ghostbusters. I ain't afraid of no ghost. I ain't afraid of no ghost. Ghostbusters. If you had a ghost, baby, a freaky ghost, baby, you better call Ghostbusters. Ghostbusters. Do your door. Let's do this once more. Ghostbusters. Busters. Ghostbusters. 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 Thanks and subscribe. I saw a werewolf with a Chinese menu in his hand, walking through the streets of Soho in the rain. He was looking for the place called Leo's Fooks. Can I get a big dish of beef chow mein? Werewolves of London. Werewolves of London. If you hear him howling around the kitchen door, you better not let him in. Little old lady got mutilated last night. Werewolves of London again. Werewolves of London. Werewolves of London. Lately it's been overheard in Mayfair. Better stay away from him, he'll rip your lungs out, Jim. I'd like to meet his tailor. Werewolves of London. Werewolves of London. Well, I saw Lon Chaney walking with the Queen, doing the Werewolves of London. saw Lemon Chaney Jr. walking with the Queen, doing the Werewolves of London. I saw a werewolf drinking a pina colada at Trader Dick's. His hair was perfect. Ooh. Werewolves of London. Ooh. Werewolves of London.